Okay, first, a top story. A specially designated tribunal has ordered the ban on the students' Islamic movement of India to be lifted. The one-judge tribunal headed by Justice Geeta Mittal says the material provided by the Home Ministry to justify the ban on the outfit was insufficient. The tribunal is set up to hear the SIMI's plea against the centre's decision to ban it. The organisation has been banned by the centre for the last 7 years, and the government issued a fresh notification in February this year to extend the ban for another 2 years under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The Home Ministry now admits it was unable to build a case to support the ban, but now says it will appeal against the judgment in the Apex Court. The SIMI is alleged to have been involved in several terrorist strikes, including recent ones at Bangalore and Ahmedabad.
Blasts on a local train in Mumbai in July 2006, at a Maligaon Masjid 2 months later, at Hyderabad's famous Mecca Masjid in May 2007. One name crops up each time: the Student Islamic Movement of India. But now it seems the connection is at best vague, the investigation sloppy, which is why a Delhi High Court tribunal on Tuesday refused to confirm a ban on SIMI for want of enough evidence.
There is no material and therefore they weren't able to produce. Can you tell me that the central government of India is unable to put together material to ban an organization with all the facilities and all the institutions that they have at their disposal? That can't be true.
The order is being seen as a major slap in the face of the UPA and more specifically Home Minister Shivraj Patil, whose ministry is being accused of doing precious little to curb terrorism. In its order, the tribunal said, "You say that SIMI is connected to bomb blasts, riots, destructive activities. Place specific material before me. You cannot presume their involvement." Most of the evidence placed by the centre before the court was in a sealed cover. In fact, the Home Ministry says 53 fresh cases have been filed against SIMI in the past 2 years. The government justified the ban, saying such organizations can be barred in anticipation of future blasts as well. The NDA is expected to make much of the government's inability to ban SIMI.
The PM should sack the Home Minister with immediate effect, and the nation deserves an answer how the ban on SIMI has been lifted. The incompetency of the government has been completely exposed.
The ban imposed by North Block in February this year was the fourth since SIMI was first outlawed in 2001 under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The Home Minister is likely to go in for an appeal to the Delhi High Court. The 3 earlier bans on SIMI have been challenged in the Supreme Court. With Neetu Jain and Neha Seth in New Delhi, Devika Malik.